Second part of our assignment today is to draw your first initial in 5 different fonts. A font is a style of lettering. My first initial is C, so I'm going to look at the font resource. This is going to take you, clicking on this will take you to Adobe Fonts. And here you have all kinds of different styles of lettering. Here we have lots of Japanese and Asian lettering, but we also, if you look through here, for instance, let's say I was interested in funky. So if I click on funky, then it's going to pull up 56 different font families. So there's all kinds of different things. So this one has 2, these only have 1, 2, 1. So some of them have different groups of fonts. So this one has 2. This is a little fancier than I was hoping to go. Let's see, this one had 2, and that's kind of cute, except that you can see things in the letters. Anyway, I can click on View the Family or View Family, and it's going to show me the 2 different fonts that it offers. So it has Strump Standard Contour and Strump Standard Open. I think Open would be simpler to draw, and then if I wanted to add that in, I could. So what I can do is I can find a C, and here's a C, very simple, and then I can go over, I can look at it and draw it. So I've practiced drawing block letters, so I somewhat know what I'm doing, but I'm not completely there yet. So let's see what we've got. Okay, when I look at the C on my computer, I notice that this C is very similar to the block C, but it has a different ending. On the block C, there was a line here and a line here. On this C, there's serif on the end of each of those. And then, of course, in this one, this is filled out. Or I could go to the top font that I saw, which had this kind of thing going on. And now I have one font. So now I can go back to the font website and find a different font. So I'm going to go to Browse Fonts, and maybe this time I can try something completely different. Let's try Art Deco. I'm going to look through and I'm going to go, that's kind of boring. C is kind of a boring letter to me anyway. I want something interesting. Let's look at this. That's okay. That's not bad. I think I'll try this. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to look for a C rather. And I really like this one that has the background. So now I'm going to try that guy. So I'll share with you what I'm doing. Okay, this one was very blocked off. It had a line in the middle. And it had a shadow. And of course, this was shaded in. And that would be 2 fonts. Now, in order to complete my exercise, I need 3 more fonts. So I would continue the process of going back to the font page with all the different fonts and looking for something that I find interesting and unique, and then trying it on my own page.